Hey guys, here's the walkthrough for using and downloading the data for the keyword scope. Okay, so first things first, to use this tool, what you're going to need is you're going to need some raw data from Helium 10's X-ray. So we're going to go there first and we're going to enter a bunch of ASINs in and we're going to grab some of those keywords. So let's do that first. While that loads, I'll just pause. Okay, once the data's come back from the Cerebro, what we want to do is to reduce the number of keywords we're getting. We're going to go word count 2. We're going to go the match type organic. We only want to see organic ones. And we want to see ranking competitors at least at a count of 2. Okay. Once we've got all that data, we're going to hit apply filters and you'll just see the number go down from 13,000. It dropped down to 1,900. So a bit more manageable data set. We're going to hit export data and we're going to export it as a CSV file. You should see that pop up. Once that's done, you'll see the CSV file there. We can go back to our keyword scope. Okay, here. We're going to go to the raw data tab that we have at the bottom. We're going to hit the top cell here, and we're going to go File and go Import, Upload, Browse, and we're going to select that download that we just did here. We're going to hit Open and let that download. It shouldn't take very long. And then what you want to do in this step is you want to go replace current sheet. Okay, so you're going to overwrite the data that's in there. You're going to hit import data and let that overwrite. And now we've got fresh data in there. We can go ahead and start using the tool. To use the tool, we'll go across here to the keyword analysis, this tab here. Okay, and what you're looking at here to get you orientated on what you're looking at and how to use it, we've got these light gray cells. These are areas where you can enter data in. We have a word count, which is greater than or equal to, which is what GTE stands for. And we've got a word count less than or equal to. And we have a minimum search volume, ranking competitor, and we have an include and an exclude. And this is including or excluding on different keywords here. On here, we have a summary table, which is just showing you the count of unique targets, the total count of unique targets. We've got the total search volume that's here. And then it's just showing you a difference between the filtered results, right? So for example, if I was to exclude, in this particular example, we have canvases for painting. So that's kind of what the product is that we're looking at. We might decide that we don't want to look at anything with, say, art in it. If I wanted to exclude art, I could. Any term or search term with the term art in it is going to now be excluded. And then this is just showing me what I just excluded. How much search volume did I just exclude? And how many targets did I exclude from those results? We could keep going on and keep excluding them. We could also do the alternative of that and say, well, look, this is actually acrylic paint. So let's just look at acrylic. Okay. So now we're going to go and do the opposite and say, okay, we're looking at 209 results. That's our filtered results. What we've left off the table or what we've excluded by only including keywords with acrylic in them is 927 keywords, which is a difference of 1,718. And that's the search volume difference. Additionally, we can do a word count. So like we might want to look at words that are greater than 3, for example. Okay, and that's going to show us keywords where they have a keyword phrase greater than 3. And when we say greater than 3, we're just talking about if we were to count every keyword in this phrase, canvases for painting, that's counted as a word count of greater than 3. And then we can go and do the opposite of that and say less than 3. This is showing us those really short tail type keywords and their search volume. Obviously, search volume and ranking competitor, we can also filter on those. Hope you guys find this tool really helpful. It's really useful for us in what we do, and hopefully it's a really powerful tool for you guys to use also.